guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Poonam and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, makeup, fitness videos any day of the week. So before going ahead with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So today guys, I'll be talking about anti-aging. So today I am here to share my nighttime care routine and it's includes anti-aging thing. It is very essential that everyone should invest on a good anti-aging cream before it's too late. And at the early stage, people usually get dark circles under eye bags and fine lines, so it is very essential. As soon as you hit the 20s, you should start taking care of your skin. If not anti-aging cream, then definitely you should at least do the cleansing, toning and moisturizing to keep your skin healthy and moisturized and supple and soft. Okay, so it's night time. I just returned home and I'll show how I take care of my skin at night. First of all, I'll remove this makeup, then I will do all my care. So without further ado, let's get started.
There's not much to do when all
Lashes are gone.
is thinking about you, not doing
It's the
well.
best.
Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
If you like this video, don't forget forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post videos on my channel. And yes guys, love you so much. Take care and bye bye.